How to create PayPal account for scribie transcription job. Just go to Google and then type in PayPal. So when it comes, I just want you to go to paypal.com, the official site, okay? So when it comes, this is how the website looks like, okay? Over here, they give you the ability to put in your telephone number and then they will send you a link. All I have to do is just put in your phone number here and then click on the send link. The link will be sent to your phone and then you can easily sign up, okay? If you don't want to install the app, when you look at the top right hand corner from the platform, you will see we have sign up, okay? So all I have to do is to just sign up from the platform by clicking on sign up. So when you click on sign up, you have two options to either open a personal PayPal account or a business PayPal account. So for personal PayPal account, you can use it to shop or buy something online, okay? But if you are working as a freelancer, you can simply open a business PayPal account, okay? So that you can receive money into your PayPal account, okay? So as a transcriber, you have to open a business PayPal account. So I'm going to show you how to open a business PayPal account, then the personal one. So all I have to do is just click on get started after selecting a business PayPal, okay? So as you can see, it says create a business account, and then these are the things that you are going to fill. Your legal first name, then your legal last name, then you put in an email address. The email address is your PayPal account, okay? And then you put in a password. The password has to be within these requirements, okay? Then you click on agree and then create account. It is as easy as ABC. Then you have created your business PayPal account, okay? But let's say you want a personal one, just select personal and then click on get started. The next thing is that they are going to ask you to select your country, okay? Just look through, select the country that you are in. But if your country is not here, it simply means that you cannot use PayPal in that country, okay? If you can't use PayPal, don't worry, just create a different account to receive money, something like Payoneer or any of the accounts, okay? So let's say you are in India, you select India, then you click on get started. The next thing is to put in your Indian number here. Then you click on next. But make sure that the number that you put here is your own user number, okay? It has to be your own primary number and nobody's number, okay? Then you click on next. Then over here, you have to set up your profile by just typing in your email address, then your first name, last name, then you create a strong password. Then you hit on next. After that, they are then going to send you a verification code whereby you are going to type it in. Then you are then going to set up your home address, okay? You first have to select your nationality, which you can select any of the countries that you are in, okay? So after that, then put in your date of birth, the correct one on your ID card because you are going to verify it. Then you put in your house address, then your postal code. The next thing that you have to do is to simply select the city that you are in. Make sure to put in the correct one because you are going to verify your address. Then you check the box to agree to their terms and policies. The next thing that you have to do is to just click on agree and then create accounts. And that is all. You have created your personal PayPal account. Okay, so you can use it to shop and then send money all over the world, okay? And then we have lots of platforms that also accept PayPal as well. So PayPal is convenient. So we have successfully created our PayPal account with ease. The next important thing is to link your debit card or Visa card to your PayPal account, okay? So all I have to do is to just simply type in your debit card number right here. Then you select the type, it's being Visa or MasterCard, any of the card, just select it. After selecting it, what you have to do is to put in the expiring date number right here, okay? The months and then the year. Then you put in the security code, put it here, just be okay to put it there. Then you put in your billing address. After that, all you have to do is to just click on link card. You can also link a bank instead. So all I have to do is just look through and then see if your bank is in. If your bank is not in, don't worry, just click on search for other banks, okay? So when you click on it, you can search for your bank. So we have successfully created our PayPal account with ease. Okay, so the next thing that you have to do is to just send money, and then you can also request for links and then send them money as well. So this is how to create a working PayPal account for your Scribie transcription job. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Like it and then see you in my next video.